YouTube. This is Luke from QC3D. It has been a while coming back to you with a quick update, not really a full print shop video. I'm on the road this weekend traveling for some of the other Facebook group and things I do. I'm into hot wings. So, as I mentioned in previous videos, I am in Buffalo, New York for the Hot Wing Festival, the Chicken Wing Festival here. Um, Hope to see Joey Chestnut and all those crazy eaters today at the second day of this festival. Hey, but anyways, quick update on the print shop. I am moved. I am now about 2 weeks or so into the new house, the new print shop. And man, as soon as I packed those printers up, orders just started flying in. I had to scramble and set up a temporary print shop in my home office in the new house while I build out the new print shop. But here's a couple quick pictures, and then what I'll get into quickly is my numbers. Those things have been going very well so far this in the past month or two here that I haven't had any video updates, so I'll give you an update on that. But let's get started here. Take a couple quick pictures. All the printers have moved over. I brought 7 printers over to the new house. I drove them in the car, put them in seat belts in the car seat. Just would not let the movers touch those. But what we're looking at here is 4 Prusa Minis that you knew I had. I also have another one I picked up while traveling in Massachusetts for work. I got that off Facebook Marketplace. Picked up a 5th Prusa Mini to the mix. So that was already over and functioning in the new shop. Here's the old print shop, small little space crammed in the mechanical room, and I am out out of there now, and that is gone. Here is a one clip from the new basement print shop. Just this is like 2 days after moving in, through a couple boxes down here. Not all of them at this point yet, but just starting to get things down here. Another update: some new benches I've gotten from Home Depot. Those are really cool, about 139 bucks. Really nice, solid wood top. Big rubber feet keep these things stable. They don't move much. And I'm probably even going to fasten a couple of these together to keep them a little more stiff. And I also may reinforce down lower with some wood and build out, some filament holder racks down there, which will just make those things beefier yet. So great little benches from Home Depot. I'm probably going to get more. These are going to be for the printers. I'm not going to use the wall rack anymore, that shelf for my printers. I try to keep this area, dried out with the dehumidifier, so to the right conditions, so that everything goes well, and see how that works. So. I'm going to be putting printers across there. I could do approximately 2, 3 Prusa Minis on one of those. 3 would be kind of tight. I'm doing 2 at the time. So I might get one more bench because I'm going to do, so I have 5 Prusa Minis and I have my King Rune. So about 6 total printers, 2 for each bench. Probably going to set that up down there. Right now, I don't have the latest picture, but I do have 3 of the Prusa Minis in the workshop down here. 2 of them are currently in my home office just to keep items going. I had to set up a print shop the day of moving in right away. As orders were coming like crazy. It's like they knew my printers were unplugged, and then Etsy went insane. I sold a lot of stuff, and thankfully I stocked up before I took off. So here, getting some shelves built. Those benches are in. Got the dehumidifier back there, dumping out into my sump pump to keep so it can keep going as I'm out. Um, Lots of shelves. Picked up a few of these extra plastic shelves for inventory, for items, for boxes, padded envelopes, and orders ready to ship. So that's what's going on there. As of today, I'll have to get some updated pictures, but it's got a lot more shelves here. Next, I'm already doing home repairs with my 3D printers. So I got this fancy light in the kitchen that I had to make a bracket for. So that's all that is. But hey, stay tuned here next. Let's go over my numbers. Hey guys, so let's take a look at these numbers. It's been few months since we really dug into this, but according to the trend line, looks like things are going horrible, but they're actually going better. So let me explain. Our prior months we've looked into, yeah, we weren't even hitting $1,000 a month. Now we are. Um, so that's all good. That's going up. As you can see, expenses are down. That's all good. So yeah, line goes down, but my happiness is going up there. The money is actually going up. I've been banking a lot of money in my account, as it shows here, because I don't take a personal cut yet. I'm into my new house slash print shop, and the mortgage is bigger, so I think that there will be more of a regular cut coming from that going forward. Let's scroll down here to profit and loss. I like it, the view it this way a little better. I can compare, the what's coming in, what's going out. So in July it was really good. No expense, very minimal expenses. I shouldn't say no, but very minimal expenses, just general operating things. But in August here, we've bought some new workbenches. We bought another Prusa Mini. And I did a restock on boxes, bubble wrap and stuff. So um, but the important thing here, more green than gray. I made profit this past month here. So um, another way I like to look at the numbers here is through a report of the profit and loss, because I can kind of see the breakdown of where the money's going, what money's coming in. Um, so a big milestone here. Let me move my photo out of the way. There, move me. Okay. All right. So my total net profit we saw 5,000 something in account earlier on. I did take a draw earlier in the year, um, but that's what is profit for the year so far, which is great. If you looked at my early year videos, we said we made $10,000 last year selling things. Um, that was my total, my total income. We hit that already. We hit that here at the end of August, um, and that's awesome. That was so we're already above and beyond last year, and we haven't even hit that holiday this holiday month here yet, where I really do good with the items I sell on Etsy. Another big thing here is my earlier videos say that Facebook sales have been big for me, and Etsy sales were a small portion. That has totally flip flopped, and I am now officially have more sales in Etsy than Facebook. I've also flip that over. So Etsy is doing very well for me, and Facebook is very oddly dropping off. So I'm not sure why. I may need to spend more time there, clean up my ads and relist things. It's just an odd platform to figure out and work with to do well with it. So yeah, that's with the income in there. Expenses, almost hit $1,000 this year in filament, which isn't bad. My items don't take a lot of filament, so that's good. The shipping, so I ship a lot of items, but that expense comes out on Facebook and Etsy before those numbers hit my account. So we're not seeing that. We're just kind of seeing organic sales of things I sell privately that ship out. Um, and, parts and material purchases, that is going to be items that go towards my prints to sell. Um, those some of those packaging materials and stuff in there that get included in those costs. So they'll go towards that number. Other than that, other operational expenses, computer hardware, that will be printers. I haven't bought any physical computers that I put towards this number. Kind of used existing PCs I had. So, but that's the category I did that with. Some very minimal computer hosting and software fees. Um, Office supplies, odds and ends, advertising, $171 to advertise, and bring $10,000 in so far this year. Not bad. That's the great thing with Etsy. Well, guess I am paying advertising with Etsy, but it's kind of again baked in, and I'm just getting the little smaller amount from them as income to my account. So, but $171 is typically what I do in Facebook advertising. Is probably what that number would be from. So So, hey, thank you for watching QC3D with Luke here. We'll be doing some live videos here in the new workshop, getting that all set up. I've been excited to do that. It's just been busy, crazy moving in, but I'm trying to save projects for update video updates here. Um, so stay tuned. There was a quick update to let you know I'm still alive. It's just a busy time getting moved here. We'll see you soon.